Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Home Remedies. Today I will tell you an interesting thing about the bags you normally find in your newly purchased shoes, bags, furniture, etc. and take no time to discard them away. Normally shoe boxes come with bags filled with silicon dioxide or silica. The majority of people find these silica bags useless, some even annoying. However, these bags are much more useful than you might think. Actually, you should keep them because if you throw them, you will make a mistake. They are not useless nor toxic, but very practical and beneficial instead. Go on watching the video to see how you can utilize these white or yellow granules around the house. Put them in your wardrobe. If you put these little bags in your wardrobe, you will prevent occurrence and spread of moisture. Furthermore, you can prevent the unpleasant smell that goes hand in hand with moisture. Prolong the shelf life of your makeup. Place a few of these bags in your makeup case and you will keep your makeup longer by preventing the moisture in your powder makeup. Restore your water-damaged phone. It might sound surprising or incredible, but silicon dioxide is able to restore your water-damaged phone. In case you face a situation like this, just put the phone among 4 to 5 silica gel bags, and they will absorb the moisture and dry the phone. Keep your workout gear dry. Considering the fact that silica absorbs moisture, you should keep several silica bags into your training bag along with your workout gear so that you prevent bacteria proliferation. They will also help you get rid of the bad odor and keep your bag dry and clean. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.